Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use contact tags in GoHighLevel. Tags are one of the most powerful organizational tools in your CRM, allowing you to categorize and segment contacts based on their behavior, status, or any interaction they've had with your business. This makes it incredibly easy to build targeted workflows, send specific campaigns, or simply stay organized as your contact list grows. Let's start by opening GoHighLevel in your web browser. Head over to GoHighLevel.com and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your contacts, campaigns, and automation tools live. Next, we need to access the settings area where tag management happens. Look over to the left navigation panel and click on Settings. This is your control center for customizing how GoHighLevel operates for your business. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Other Settings tab if it's not already selected. From here, scroll down until you see an option labeled Tags. Click on it to open the Tag Management interface. This is where you'll create, edit, and organize all the tags you use to classify your contacts. Now it's time to create a tag that reflects real customer interactions. Think about the different ways your contacts engage with your business and what outcomes occur. For example, if someone books an appointment but doesn't show up, you'll want to create a tag called no-show. This helps you follow up appropriately or trigger an automated sequence later. If a lead successfully converts into a paying customer, create a tag like converted or customer. This keeps your pipeline clean and lets you track results accurately. You can also create tags for call dispositions, such as callback required if someone didn't answer or the call got disconnected, or wrong number if the contact info was incorrect. These tags become incredibly useful when you start building automations or running campaigns. You can filter contacts by tag, send targeted emails to specific groups, or exclude certain tags from future outreach. The more intentional you are with your tagging system, the more control you'll have over your entire sales and marketing process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.